Good morning once again. Welcome to day 2. Another day out on the sled. Another negative 25 roughly wind chill right now. We're dressed for it, so we'll be alright. Gonna be chilly. Gonna go mess around on the sled again. Not sure where we're gonna go, what we're gonna do, but should be another fun little ride. Not gonna pound trails probably. It's a little chilly for that. Nonetheless, should be a fun day. Without further ado, let's get into the riding. Should be an entertaining video for you guys. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Workout videos, snowmobile videos, my life. Let's get ready, let's get on the sled, and we'll pick up the video then.
Yeah. Let's get it. Take a wreck, so. Hey, she already know I'm coming. Let's get it.
It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll up dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip. Pull up and I'm loading the clip. New bitch, yeah, stay on my hip. Niggas talking, they not with this shit. Catch a body, you might just get hit. But lately been all about drip. New designer, just look at the fit. And I just blew a bag on my bitch. You got clout, but you don't got the drip. You get money.
Alright, everybody. Day 2. Where the hell are we gonna go today, dude? I got no clue. I got no fucking clue. Where the fuck we're going? We'll figure it out. Look at how deep this shit is. Jesus. Woo! Go play around again, I guess, for now. Until we figure out where we're going. The powder's nice down here for fucking walking this thing. Ah, that sucks. That's a steep one. Woo! Look at this shit. Thanks, snowplow man. Fuck. Maybe we shouldn't have came this way. Well, that sucked. I don't want to ride down that. Back we go. We're going this way.
Smoking up a J, ooh, ooh, ooh. Think I done fell into a maze, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, but shawty, I'm okay, ooh, ooh, ooh. Probably cause no one in my face, ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling just the way I should.
I just hit this thing and probably walked my sled better than I have all year, and of course the died mid-recording, so let's try this again, eh?
Hell yeah. Hey, smoking up a J. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Think I done fall into a maze. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, but shawty, I'm okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Probably just no one in my face. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, feeling.
Oh, battery number 2 already. Fucking. Really, this is. I ain't hooking up. Go this way, see where this goes. I'm not really sure where this goes. Send it. You know how it goes. First fucking one, I had the freshest snow, so it was the best, but we weren't fucking recording. I just took a leak and I'm pretty sure my dick's gone. That's how fucking cold out it is right now. Barely get that thing out of the fucking snow pants, man. Jesus. Gonna head her in. We got a little bit of a ride in, but we're gonna be flying for a lot of it. Tracks, baby. It's like a fucking road. Wow. Woo. Battery, just about home. I'm freezing. Holy shit. Sorry we didn't outro or ride much at all. My batteries were literally toast. At the end there, plug it in, put in a new battery, let her go, and fucking batteries were dying. Like, it would say 95, you'd click record and it'd drop to 2%, and then that'd be it. So we didn't get a ton of footage today, but we did get a little, so hopefully we've still got some decent footage for you guys. I don't think I have frostbite, but fuck. I am cold. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully you enjoy this snowmobile content. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. I'm gonna go warm up because I'm fucking freezing. See you later.